If your hair still feels dry even after moisturizing, this might be what you're actually missing. I made a rich natural hair butter that locks in moisture for days, and this is how I did it. I have been focusing on simplifying my hair care routine using ingredients I trust. This DIY hair butter honestly have been a game changer for keeping my hair soft and hydrated for days. I started with a blend of shea butter, mango butter and cocoa butter. These butters are deeply moisturizing and helps to strengthen the hair while keeping it soft and extremely manageable. And trust me when I say they form the perfect base for a rich moisturizing hair butter. The mango butter, cocoa butter and shea butter in any hair butter you're going to make is one of the best decisions you can make. Like, you can never go wrong with this trio. I added a small amount of hair grease for extra sealing power, and I don't want to use any preservative with this. My hair butter can last as long as possible, so if you don't have any preservative, or maybe you don't want to add a preservative to your hair butter, trust me, this will do. Then I went in with my herbal powders, Neem, Amla and Moringa. These are amazing for scalp health, strengthening the hair and promoting growth over time. This combination is one thing you would want to try and see whether it works out for your hair. You know why? These ingredients have been proven over time. Incorporating natural ingredients in any of your hair care products is one of the best decisions you can make. It will make your hair fuller, thicker, your strands will be stronger. The general health and well-being of your hair will just make a whole lot of difference. So you can add them as either an oil, hair butter or maybe a leave-in spray. Now I'm so excited about this one. To bring everything together, I added almond oil and castor oil. Like, girl, I'm not even playing. We are here for serious business. Almond oil will help to add shine and also make your hair softer. One of the reasons why I love castor oil is because it's thick, so it will help that moisture to stay in longer. Also, if you don't have castor oil or you don't have almond oil, you can basically use any oil of your choice. Of course, I'm going to go in with my DIY hair growth oil that I made with Rosemary. The video is one of the videos I have on this channel. You can check it out. In that video, I explained in detail how I was able to make that rosemary oil. Of course, if you've been on this channel, you will know how much I love olive oil just for the extra benefit and shine. So I added it to this combination. I'm going to be using the double boiling method to ensure that I melt everything and just gently incorporate them together. This helps to preserve the nutrients of all these natural ingredients and just to ensure that everything blends in smoothly and nicely. There are different methods you can use to incorporate these ingredients together, but this is the one I love because I'm sure that if I use it, it's going to preserve all the ingredients. So I always use it in most of my DIYs. You can try out other methods, just depends on what is more comfortable for you and what you can do at every given time. Ensure you do this on low heat. I think I left mine for about 8 minutes or less. Just depends on what works for you and the amount of ingredients or hair butter you want to make at the time. Now that everything has nicely incorporated and it is smooth, I do not have any lump, I'm going to be sieving this through a clean cheesecloth. You want to use something that is really tight just to ensure that particles from the powder or the ingredients do not actually go into your hair butter. Remember, we're aiming for something creamy, smooth and that is nice, because you don't want to make your hair butter and then you can feel particles when you're applying it on your hair. That's not good, that's not nice, that's not demure, that's not premium. You know what I mean. If you look at this video, you can see the particles that have been left in this cheesecloth. You do not want those kind of particles to get into this hair butter. It will not be nice at all. Yeah, and this is what it looks like. I'm just cleaning my surface. Remember, you want to do this in a clean place so that everything is smooth. I think I left this to sit for about 8 hours in the fridge just to ensure that it solidifies, and this is what it looks like. And this is how it turned out: smooth, creamy and rich. I love this hair butter. This is the second time I'm making this hair butter, and I'm sure going to restock it, maybe with the same ingredients or maybe with something better or less, I do not know. If you need something to lock in moisture on your hair for days, if your hair feels always dry after moisturizing and you seem not to understand why you can't lock in moisture for a very long time, or maybe you just want to try something new, a different kind of hair butter with different ingredients or different recipes, then this is your go-to. Your hair will love it, and trust me, with all the ingredients I have in this hair butter, mango butter, shea butter and coconut butter, with all the oils and Ayurvedic herbs, it is one thing that will make any hair care product so rich. Now this is how I use it on my routine. I usually use it to seal in moisture after I've moisturized my hair, to lock in that moisture, as this helps to keep my hair soft, hydrated and protected for a very long time. I think the best thing for me concerning this hair butter is how it helps to protect my ends. Guys, if you can protect your ends, then it means that you're going to be seeing that growth that you so desire. And I think that is everybody's goal, to actually see length when you take down your protective style. But this is the secret: if you can lock in moisture and protect your ends, then anytime you make your protective style and take it down, it means that your hair must grow. It means that you're going to see drastic change. This is something I have consistently done for the past 2 years that I've been serious with my natural hair journey, and trust me, I've not regretted it. And that's why every time I always have one hair butter or the other in my starch, because it helps to keep that moisture in for long. Are you going to be trying this hair butter, or do you have something that you've actually been using before now that is a hair butter that actually works? If it's something that you're going to try, I would like to know in the comment section. If you've watched this video up until this time, what are you waiting for? If you've not subscribed, please leave a comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. You're just basically supporting this growing channel. Until I see you in my next video, like I always say, love your natural hair, care for it, and trust me, you're going to see that result. Bye.